Let's say the IP industry is already working quite a lot in innovation and innovative things the last years. But what I see now is that still there are a lot of business fields where IP is not reality in the everyday installations, everyday work. And here is this big potential, extremely big potential to bring this new technology to this kind of systems and business. Talking about fire alarm business, the big thing is really to bring this IP technology closer to the end users, to the installers, to the designers, because still they work in the conventional way, making installations with conventional lines, conventional things, having no information from remote, and this is still reality. At the moment in the fire alarm business, it looks like you have already an iPad or an iPhone or a mobile device, but you still dial a number on a line, and this is something that is already starting to change, and this will be a trend not only for 2017, also for the following years. It's a big thing and a long way till this technology enters all the installations. It's important because people today waste a lot of money not having the right information about the fire alarm. Fire brigades are heading, and people of the fire brigades risking their lives, everyday lives, when coming to on-site, and then it was just a false alarm or wrong alarm and this and that. And this is why this information transport, this immediate bring information of the panel, of the system, to the user on the mobile device is so important, because then you can intervene and then you can save a lot of these unnecessary things, technical, let's say, interventions, as well as life-saving interventions that are sometimes not necessary. When is the right time? It's always the right time to save money and to do installations and things that are future-oriented. And this is why it's really more than important now. It's not only the right time, it's more than time that also the fire alarm business and these applications use this IP technology that is already widely used in camera and video applications since many, many years. This is why it's time. Yeah, let's say, our partners and all the partners that use this new technology will be, of course, driven by these new possibilities. With these new possibilities, of course, if they can convince investors that investing in new technology is cheaper than investing in old technology, then it will really drive the revenues. To really bring these benefits to the investors and end users, this will be really very important for also next year. Yeah, the system integrators are very important because they bring together all this information and all these operation on one spot, and the system integrators should continue with the important roles to, let's say, integrate the different systems into one, but also, of course, to use the best technologies. This is very important, and this is why a system integrator is so useful. What I really like, I visit a lot of exhibitions because only our company is doing 15 exhibitions from India to Western Europe. Everywhere we are exhibiting, but most of the exhibitions are focused on only one target group and only on the fire alarm business or these things, which is also important. But here really see that it's technology driven, this exhibition and this forum, and it's really bring together video business, access control, fire alarm, other building services, software, of course. And this is why I think here's the highest concentration of specialists that I've ever seen. I was not thinking about what new features you need. I think it's a good concept, and to maybe bring together more these conferences to encourage the visitors to attend the special topics. I think this is a good feature to do, and the parallel exhibition is also good because there's enough time then to talk about these individual things. So I think the concept is quite good. Yeah, of course. What would be good, of course, to bring all these users of systems here to the conference, to really bring them together, talk about how they can improve their everyday life. I think to really bring all these people here, this is the most important for the future.